Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make moyashi to butaniku no kasanemushi. Today I'm making a very simple dish using bean sprout and pork. It's so easy, quick, healthy, budget friendly, and most importantly, delicious. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kasanemushi, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 600 grams of bean sprout, 300 grams of thinly sliced pork. It's very thinly sliced, like shabu-shabu style, any part you like. 3 tablespoons of ponzu sauce, 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil and sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of sake, some salt and pepper, and green onion to garnish. And if you want to make the sauce a little bit spicy, you can add either gochujang, Korean spicy paste, or doubanjang, hot bean paste. Let's slice the green onion first. This is the only slicing today. If you can't be bothered using knife and cutting board, you can chop it up using scissors. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together, cut them into half, put them together, and just slice thinly. I'm going to use this at the end, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Prepare a large bowl or plate that you can microwave and put half of the bean sprout. Then half of the pork. Try to spread it all over the bean sprout. One tablespoon of sake all over the pork. Some salt and pepper. Rest of the bean sprout. Rest of the pork. Remaining sake, and salt and pepper. Cover it with plastic film. And microwave. I did 14 minutes at 600 watt and the pork is completely cooked. If you still see any red part, do a few more minutes until you see no red part. Now, let's make the sauce. You just need to put everything in one bowl and mix. Ponzu sauce, sesame oil, garlic paste, sesame seeds, and I'm adding some gochujang, Korean spicy paste. About a tablespoon. Mix it well. And the sauce is ready. Very easy. Sprinkle some green onion. Put the sauce right before you eat, and もやしと豚肉の重ね蒸し is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's serve some in the plate here. And いただきます。Bean sprout is very plain and tasteless ingredients, but the pork and the sauce add so much flavor to it and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. もやしと豚肉の重ね蒸し is the main, so it goes here. I think I want to have little more protein, so how about sake no takikomi gohan here? Let's go healthy for the other dishes. So how about kebetsu no miso shiru here, okaka kinoko here, and some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!